Hello, everyone. Welcome back to One Easy English Story. Today, I will tell you a very interesting and true story. It is about a man who lived inside an airport for many years. Yes, you heard that right. He lived at the airport. Let's begin. Many years ago, a man named Mehran was traveling. He was from Iran, but he was trying to go to Europe. He wanted to start a new life. One day, he arrived at an airport in Paris, France. But there was a big problem. He lost his documents. His passport was gone. His papers were gone. Without these documents, he could not enter France, and he could not go back home. He was stuck. At first, Mehran thought, "This is just a small problem. I will fix it soon." But days passed, then weeks, then months. The airport police did not allow him to leave, but they also could not send him away. So Mehran stayed inside the airport. He slept on a bench. He used the airport bathroom. He ate food from restaurants when he had money. People started to notice him. After some time, Mehran became famous. Journalists came to talk to him. Travelers stopped and asked questions. Some people helped him. They gave him food, clothes, and books. Mehran started to read a lot. He learned English better. He even created a small home in the airport. He had boxes, papers, and a routine, but still, he could not leave. After many years, something strange happened. The government finally gave him permission to enter France. He was free. He could leave the airport, but he did not leave. Why? Because the airport became his home. He felt safe there. He knew the people. He knew the place. Outside, everything was new and uncertain, so he stayed. His story became so famous that it inspired a movie. Many people around the world learned about him. They were surprised. How can someone live in an airport for so long? But for Mehran, it became normal. Days became years. Years became a life. This story teaches us something important. Sometimes, even a difficult place can feel comfortable. And sometimes change is scary, even if it is a good change. Mehran's story is strange, but also very human. We all want safety. We all want a place to belong. So what do you think? Would you stay in the airport or leave? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next story.